Amazon might seem like the holy grail for finding smart deals, but here's the honest truth. Some of its so-called bestsellers are nothing more than clever traps that drain your wallet. They look impressive with professional product photos, thousands of glowing reviews, and irresistible discounts. But beneath the surface? Low quality, poor performance, and loads of buyer regret. If you're someone who values every dollar and hates wasting money on products that fall short, you need to hear this. We're about to expose 10 popular Amazon products that might be sitting in your home right now, quietly disappointing you. This is your no-fluff, real talk list brought to you by Spend Smart, where we believe being smart with your money means buying less, but buying better. Let's dive into the list of products that might look like smart buys, but actually cost you more in frustration, wasted food, or replacements. 10. Generic rechargeable hand warmers. They're compact, sleek, and promoted as a must-have for winter. Amazon reviews seem to back it up. Thousands of 5-star ratings, smiling hands in cozy mittens, and promises of long-lasting heat. But here's what many buyers don't see until it's too late. These budget-friendly hand warmers are often underpowered, poorly made, and incredibly unreliable. They heat unevenly, die within minutes, and in some cases, stop working altogether after just a few uses. Worse yet, they can lull you into a false sense of security. Imagine stepping outside in freezing weather, trusting that warmers in your pocket will keep you comfortable, only to find they're stone cold within minutes. That's not just annoying, it could be dangerous in extreme weather. Spend Smart tip. Instead of wasting $20 again and again, invest once in a durable, well-reviewed model that offers consistent performance and a solid battery life. Warm hands aren't worth gambling on a knockoff. Choose models with UL-certified batteries and metal alloy heating plates. They cost more, but last longer and keep you safe. 9. Budget fabric shavers and pill removers. Got an old sweater you want to revive? These little gadgets promise to make worn clothes look new again. But most cheap fabric shavers are little more than destructive toys for your favorite wardrobe staples. Weak motors, dull blades, and zero precision? That's a recipe for damage. Instead of gently removing fuzz, they rip through threads, snag delicate knits, and ruin clothes you actually cared about. One careless pass, and your cozy sweater could become cleaning rags. And all for what? A few bucks saved on a tool that should be precise and protective? Spend Smart tip. Either spend a bit more on a pro-grade shaver with adjustable settings or skip the device altogether. Because saving $10 on a tool that destroys your $50 hoodie isn't frugal, it's foolish. Seek out brands used by professional tailors or fabric care experts. 8. Cheap air fryer liners. They're sold as a mess-free kitchen shortcut. Thin parchment-style paper designed to keep your air fryer clean. But in reality, these liners are often made of low-grade materials that can buckle, burn, or even melt during cooking. Instead of crispy results, you get scorched liners stuck to your chicken or charred paper edges, smoking up your kitchen. Some liners are too small, exposing the fryer basket and defeating the whole purpose. Others are too large, restricting airflow and ruining your meal's texture. Spend Smart tip. Opt for reusable silicone liners that can handle high heat, or buy brand-specific parchment liners made for your model. Reusable equals reliable equals real savings over time. Look for FDA-approved food-safe materials and double-check heat thresholds. 7. Mini USB humidifiers. They look cute, they're compact, and they claim to improve your sleep and skin with just a few drops of water. But mini USB humidifiers are among the least reliable home gadgets you can buy. Most barely mist enough to make a difference. They leak. They clog. The plastic warps. They sputter out within days. Worst case, you wake up to a soaked nightstand, ruined books, or even electrical damage. Spend Smart tip. A quality humidifier doesn't need to be massive, but it should be safe, consistent, and last at least a season. Prioritize safety certifications, strong mist output, and easy-to-clean designs. Aim for ultrasonic tech and BPA-free tanks that hold enough water for at least 8 hours. 6. TikTok Viral Car Cleaning Gel. They're bright, squishy, and weirdly satisfying to play with. Supposedly, These cleaning gels lift dust from every hard-to-reach area in your car. But viral popularity doesn't equal real performance. After a few uses, the gel becomes saturated with grime and turns sticky. Instead of cleaning, it starts smearing. It falls apart in your hands, and worse, it can leave residue on your dashboard, buttons, and vents. Spend smart tip. Use a classic combo, a microfiber cloth and a detailing spray. Cheaper over time, washable, and way more effective. Also consider a soft brush for vents and switches, tools that last years, not days. 5. Ergonomic laptop stands. You've seen them. Foldable, lightweight stands claiming to improve posture and protect your laptop. But most budget versions are flimsy at best and hazardous at worst. Wobbly joints, loose hinges, weak materials. That sleek design collapses quickly under pressure. Many users have reported laptops sliding off, overheating from poor ventilation, or the stands breaking entirely. Spend smart tip. Go for a heavy-duty aluminum stand with non-slip grips and proper airflow design. It protects your back and your tech investment. It should support at least 15 pounds and offer adjustable angles. 4. Mini bag sealers. Seal your chips. Keep food fresh. No more stale snacks. That's the promise. But what do these $10 mini bag sealers actually deliver? Not much. Many don't heat up properly. Those that do often leave a weak or uneven seal. Buttons get stuck, batteries die fast, and plastic casings crack under slight pressure. And when the sealer fails, your cereal goes stale and your snacks hit the trash. Spend smart tip. Airtight containers or reusable silicone bags do a better job and pay for themselves over time. Save your snacks, not the gimmick. Look for BPA-free materials and vacuum sealing options. 3. Generic fitness smartwatches. They look just like the big brands, promising health tracking, sleep monitoring, and stylish design, all for a fraction of the price. But if it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Generic fitness watches often deliver laughable performance. Screens freeze. Apps don't sync. Heart rate and step counts are wildly inaccurate, yes, even while brushing your teeth. And the strap? It might snap within a week. Spend smart tip. If health tracking matters, invest in a trusted brand that actually backs up their claims with science. Or skip the feature creep and stick to a reliable digital watch. Look for integration with Apple Health, Google Fit, or Garmin Connect. 2. Magnetic eyelash kits. They promise hassle-free beauty. No glue, reusable, and beginner-friendly. But magnetic eyelash kits are often more stressful than stunning. Many don't align properly, pop off midday, or pinch your eyelids painfully. Some slide out of place when you least expect it, like right before a big meeting or during a night out. Spend smart tip. If lashes are part of your look, stick to trusted brands with secure designs and strong magnets. Or consider professional-grade glue-on lashes that actually stay put. Less panic, more glam. Always patch test for irritation first. 1. Cheap name brand dupe kitchen sets, knives, and cookware. This is the big one, and likely sitting in your kitchen right now. On Amazon, these knockoff cookware and knife sets look like a chef's dream. Elegant packaging, gorgeous finishes, and a price tag that feels like you've uncovered an insider deal. But within weeks, it all falls apart. Non-stick coatings flake into your food. Knives go dull after one use. Handles loosen. Screws fall out. Pans warp. And some even rust after a single rinse. Suddenly, your $60 dream set is a kitchen nightmare. Meals become harder to make. Ingredients go to waste. You stop cooking altogether because the tools fail you. Spend smart tip. Invest once in cookware that works every single time. Look for forged steel knives, triple-ply pans, and brands that offer real warranties. A pan that lasts 5 years saves you from buying 5 pans. Make your kitchen your ally, not a money pit. The bigger problem: misleading reviews and manipulated ratings. Remember, just because something has 4.5 stars on Amazon doesn't mean it's a good product. Many sellers inflate their ratings with fake reviews, incentivize feedback, or by flooding the listing with unrelated good products. That means you can't rely on star ratings alone. You have to look deeper Critical reviews, verified buyer comments, YouTube demos, and real-world tests. When you're spending your hard-earned money, don't fall for filters and fake hype. Spend smart. Dig deeper. Choose quality over quantity every time. Research, compare, and never buy on impulse. Your turn. Share your Amazon fails. Have you been tricked by a product that looked great online but fell apart in real life? Drop your story in the comments. Your experience might help another smart shopper avoid the same mistake. And before you go, hit that like button so this message reaches more budget-conscious folks. Subscribe to Spend Smart for honest, real-world buying advice. No sponsorships, no sugarcoating, just the raw truth you deserve. Thanks for reading. See you in the next review.